Does people power accept Nigerians? So, who told you cannot make money online? The person is lying. This is the website. As you can see, these are the available jobs. So, let me just click on one job and do a little bit analysis for you guys. This one is $60. This one is $266. This one is $100. This one is $62. So, I'll just click on this simple one that requires no tech skill. So as you can see, it says that they need you to summarize a video, 8-minute video, into simple reels. As you can see, the job is remote and the job was posted 20 minutes ago as at the time of making this video. So like every 5 minutes or every 30 minutes, people post on this website, people post jobs on this website. So the description, as you can see, the experience level is entry level. So you don't need to be an expert, you don't need to be anything. You can be accepted as an entry level into this website.